Hello students, welcome to English class. Today in this video we are going to continue with the revision of chapter 4 Little Benjamin. Now students, open your fragrance English reader book at page number 24. Chapter 4 Little Benjamin. Students, by the end of this video you will be able to express story in your own words, understand the meanings of difficult words and phrases, and answer the related questions. Students, I hope that on the basis of previous reading, you will be able to answer the following questions. Why was the whole family seemed cheerful? What did Adam see at the door? What did Mother Golden carry in the basket? How did Mary describe the little baby's hand? What did Mother Golden find in the baby's clothes? What was written on the note? Why did Father Golden initially want to send the baby to an orphanage? What did Mother Golden do within 5 minutes of receiving the baby? Why did Adam refer to Joseph as a chucklehead? Students, in the previous session we have read that Golden family was very surprised to see the baby lying at their doorstep. When Mother Golden examined the baby's clothes, she found a folded paper on which it was written that his mother was dead and his father was a waster. So, Father Golden asked everybody if they could send the baby to an orphanage because Mother Golden already had 5 children to take care of. But nobody in the family agreed with Father Golden. All the children wanted to keep the child in their house. When Mother Golden gave the baby some warm milk, all the children watched this process eagerly. Now students, we are going to continue with the reading of page number 26 and 27. But before that, we will revise word meanings and phrases given on these pages. First word is nursing. Nursing. Nursing means skill of caring. Next word is glance. Means a quick look. Sigh of relief means feeling relaxed. Supposing. Supposing. Supposing means guessing. Objection. Objection. Objection means opposed to something. Throned means king's seat. Dimpled. Dimpled. Dimpled means hollow in the skin. Creature. Creature. Creature means a being. Floss means soft thread. Ruffled. Ruffled. Ruffled means uneven. Beaming means cheerful. Sober. Sober. Sober means sensible. Gurgle. Gurgle. Gurgle means a sound. Announced. Announced. Announced means declared. Privilege. Privilege. Privilege means advantage. Council. Council. Council means an assembly for discussion. Bless means good wishes. Now students, let's revise phrases. To keep him means उसे रखने को. Over his head means उसके सिर के ऊपर. In a beaming smile means उभरती मुस्कुराहट के साथ. Of silver hair चांदी जैसे बालों का. In his big leather chair उसकी बड़ी चमड़े की कुर्सी में. To his mother माता की ओर. Now students, let's continue reading from page number 26. I was thinking, Mother Golden said eagerly, it would be best to keep him through his teething and stomach troubles and give him a good start in the way of proper food and nursing. Children, what do you say? Asked Father Golden. You are old enough to have your say, even the youngest of you. Oh, keep him, shouted the three younger children. Adam and Lemuel exchanged a glance. I guess he would better stay, Father, said Adam. I think so too, said Lemuel, and both gave something like a sigh of relief. Students, here Mother Golden told everybody that it would be best to give the child proper food and nursing so that the child could be safe from stomach problems. Father Golden asked the children about their suggestion for keeping the child in their house, but in the next moment he told the children that they were young enough. But the three younger children shouted along and told Father Golden to keep the child. And then Adam told his father that the child would get a better place to stay. Lemuel too agreed with this suggestion and they both had a sigh of relief. So, students, do you think the children of the Golden family like the baby? Yes, the children of the Golden family liked the baby because they were very excited to have the baby in their house. Now, students, let's read further. Then that's settled, said Father Golden, supposing that no objection turns up. Next thing is, what shall we call this child? Students, here in the above lines, the phrase turns up means arrives, increases, takes place. Turns up means takes place. All eyes were fixed on the baby, who now sat throned on Mother Golden's knee. It was a pretty picture, the rosy, dimpled creature, the yellow floss ruffled all over his head, his sweet little mouth open in a beaming smile, smiling back at him. Mother Golden's calm face in its frame of silver hair, and Father Golden in his big leather chair. The five children, with their sober faces, lit up with unusual excitement. Students, here Father Golden decided to keep the child in their house. Then their next task was to give the baby a name. All the children were very eager for this task. They all were looking eagerly at the baby, who was looking very cute on the Mother Golden's knee. And here, these words also show the baby's physical appearance, that it has dimpled skin, yellow floss ruffled hair, and a beaming smile. So, students, describe the physical appearance of the baby. The baby has dimpled skin, yellow floss ruffled hair, and a beaming smile. Now, students, let's read further. Agoo, said the baby in a gurgle. He says his name is Coo, announced Joseph, and everyone laughed. We would better give the child a suitable name, Mother, said Adam. Oh, call him Arthur, Bill, Richard, Charlie, Reginald, cried the children together. So, students, what were the different baby names suggested by the children? Arthur, Bill, Richard, Charlie, Reginald were the different baby names suggested by the children. Now, students, let's continue reading. I do love a Bible name, said Mother Golden. All our children have Bible names. Let us not cut the little stranger off from this privilege. Lemuel, dear, you were named after a king, said Mother Golden. He was a good boy to his mother, and so are you. Bring the Bible and let us see what it opens at. Joseph, you are the youngest, you shall open it. Suggest a name for the baby. Mother Golden told everybody that she loved the names from the Bible, as all her own children had names from the Bible. So she wanted the baby to get this privilege. Mother Golden reminded Lemuel that he was named after a king who was a very good boy to his mother. And in the same way, Lemuel is very good towards her. Mother Golden told Lemuel to bring the Bible. Joseph was the youngest child, so she told him to open the Bible. Let us not cut the little stranger off from this privilege. Students, here, why did Mother Golden say this? Mother Golden said this because she wanted the baby to get advantage of having a biblical name. Now students, let's continue reading. Joseph opened the great brown leather Bible and closing his eyes, laid his hand on the page. Then looking down, he read, "There is little Benjamin, their ruler, and the princes of Judah, their council, the princes of Zebulun and the princes of Naphtali." Zebulun and Naphtali are difficult names, said Mother Golden. "Benjamin shall be this child's name, little Benjamin. The Lord bless and keep him." So students, what do you think? What kind of a lady was Mother Golden? Mother Golden was a very kind, soft-hearted, caring and loving lady, as she took care of the baby by lifting it out and feeding warm milk so that the baby would stop crying. So students, I hope that you have understood and revised the chapter. Now you have to follow your SNAP homework schedule and solve the exercises related. Thank you.